Hi friends, this is Shambhavi. Welcome to Kara Sweet. It's too yummy to fill your tummy. Before moving on, if you have not yet subscribed or are new to my channel, do subscribe now and do click the bell button for getting notified of our upcoming videos. As mom's cooking in Kara Sweet, come let us get to know how to make spicy ground masala paste, which is used for multi-purposes in multiple ways while cooking. For that, you require dhania seeds 5 tablespoons, jeera 1 teaspoon, black pepper 10, salt 1 to 2 teaspoons, half coconut, Byadige chilies 15, Guntur chilies 15, Mangat chilies 15, tamarind paste 3 tablespoons. To know how to make it, click the link in the description. Powdered jaggery 3 tablespoons or jaggery syrup 3 to 4 tablespoons. To know how to make the jaggery syrup, click the link in the description. To start off with, take all the dry ingredients such as dhania seeds, jeera, pepper with the chilies. As I said earlier, the reason we have taken all the 3 varieties of chilies are each of them has its own significance, where Byadige chilies would add color to the mixture, whereas Guntur and Mangat chilies adds to the spice. So it's a good combination for a tasty food. Cover the lid and grind the ingredients. The grinding should be done until this turns into a fine, smooth powder. Coconut can be added in 2 ways. One, you can make the smooth paste of coconut only and keep it aside, and later add all the other ingredients smooth paste to it and again grind it. Or another method is as shown further in the video. You need to add the coconut pieces directly into the powder, grind it once again, and you can add water so that it turns out to be a smooth paste. This paste, as I said, can be used for multi-purposes in multiple ways while cooking. You can see this in the upcoming videos. In this stage, you can add water or jaggery syrup and again grind it. See to that the paste doesn't contain any large coconut pieces and the entire coconut is completely grinded off. And now once done, you can add tamarind paste of the required quantity and add a water or jaggery syrup in the place of water of how much ever quantity I have said, and grind it again. As I said earlier, that it is used for multiple purposes. To name a few, I can give it. It can be used for various curries, it can be used as a chutney, or the same can be even converted into a main dish for breakfast. So these are all my upcoming videos, to watch it. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt along with some water so that it completely get mixed with the paste, and again grind it once again, and this completes the spicy ground masala paste. The consistency would be like this. Do await for our next video on puffy and crispy puri all the time with tomato chenna curry. I hope today's video has helped you all. If so, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.